Welcome to the ultimate guide to portrait photography. Learn how to capture the essence and personality of your subjects. Discover lighting techniques that will bring your portraits to life. From natural light to studio setups, learn how to illuminate your subjects and create stunning effects. Learn how to guide your subjects into flattering poses that showcase their personality. From relaxed and natural to dynamic and expressive, master the art of posing. Unleash your creativity with unique ideas to capture the essence of your subjects. Explore different backdrops, props, and concepts to create portraits that tell a story. Discover editing techniques to enhance your portraits. From basic adjustments to advanced retouching, learn how to make your subjects look their best while maintaining their natural beauty. Master the art of portrait photography and capture the essence and personality of your subjects. Start creating stunning portraits today.